Hey. Hey. Sleeping Beauty, what, are you gonna lay there all day? Hey. Rip Van Winkle. Sandman. Eutychus. Look, I'm running out of comparisons here. Oh, for the love of... Well, that did the trick. Nice of you to join me on this plane of consciousness. Now come on, get up. We're moving. Come on up. Up and at 'em. What are you staring at me for? We don't have all day. Come on, up. Up. You know, up. As in the complete opposite of your current position, sitting down in the ash. We have distance to cover that won't get covered so long as your butt is in contact with the dirt. I don't know, unless you think you can scoot faster than I can walk. Do you need a hand getting up? Here, let me... And you're moving away. Really? You're scared of me? Do I really look that threatening? Okay, well, how about that? You see that? The enormous swirling mass of angry storm clouds? Yeah, it's headed straight for us. I just happen to know of some shelter. Dry, warm, not buried in ash, and not exposed to the elements. You in? You're just... What, can you not talk or something? You're shaking your head. No. No, you can't talk. Figures. Look, we don't have time for this. I'm not asking you to do something as ridiculous as trust me. It comes down to a simple choice. To die or not to die. The first option involves staying out here on a bare, unprotected hill exposed to the storm. The second one, you just have to follow me. Like I said, I don't expect you to trust me. I know I'm probably the first person you've seen in what feels like forever. My word doesn't mean jack to you, which is why I won't waste time trying to show you that I'm not a cannibal, serial killer, or some variation or combination of them. If anything, I'm a survivor, and I'm at least going to be getting out of here. So, you gonna come with me? Okay. Then follow me. And try not to slip and fall. The wind is already stirring up enough of the ash and dust without you kicking it all up again. Nope, not that way. We're headed away from the city. Well, what's left of it. Just follow me. We're gonna be walking along the highway for a bit. Gotta be quick, though. I do not like how fast that storm is coming in.
We're almost there. We can cut through the woods if we go this way. Hey, pull your shirt up over your nose and mouth like this. Trust me, you do not want to breathe too much of this in. No, this way. Stay right behind me. Grab onto my pack if you have to. Just stay with me. We're almost there.
Whew. That's better. Ugh. Home sweet home. I'd tell you to knock your feet on the mat, but it wouldn't do much good. Absolutely covered in this stuff. Do me a favor, though, and try to keep most of it by the door. Fire won't start if there's too much ash in the kindling. Smothers the life out of the flame. Smothers the life out of everything, really. Oh, you can set your stuff down wherever. There are coat hooks over there by the door. Yeah, go ahead. Speaking of fires, let me get on that. So, the hill where I found you. Yeah. What were you doing out there? It seems like an odd place to hang out. I mean, unless you were wanting to die. Right? Sorry. Can't talk. Is that like a recent thing or a forever thing? What? You don't know? How could you not know? Or is this less of a not sure shrug and more of a it's too complicated to explain, so I'll just shrug. Okay, never mind. Give it a rest. Jeez, you'll hurt your shoulders. 6 alive. Give me a second, I gotta get this lit. Come on. There we go. You do know you don't just have to stand there, right? The couch has seen better decades, but it won't bite. I won't vouch for that spring trap masquerading as a recliner, though. Honestly, if there were still animal life around, I'd set it out in the woods. No way it wouldn't have caught something by now. Alright, well, if you're not gonna sit, could you at least toss me my pack? I'm gonna go through some of the stuff I found today. Okay. Oh, the books? Yeah, go ahead, take a look. They'll probably end up as kindling at some point, so knock yourself out. I'll take that to mean that you can at least read. You can read, right? Don't give me that. That's a yes or no question. Okay, the book you're holding. Can you read the title? Do you know what it says? No. Okay. Well, one of them's gotta have pictures. I think that big one on the bottom shelf is a naval encyclopedia or something. Whatever, suit yourself. Where'd it go? No, over here somewhere. Aha! There you are. Can opener. It's a bit rusty, but nothing little elbow grease can't fix. Let's see. It's really picking up out there. Hey, relax. It's just the storm. Now sit down. You're making me nervous. Man, it's really got you on edge. Look, the windows are boarded up, the door is barred. There's no way it's getting in. This place has survived much worse. You want to see? I mean, you can, I guess. Not that there's much to see. Come here. There's a gap in the boards here. There you go. Swirling clouds of gray as far as the eye can see. At least it blocks out a little bit of the light. That's probably the weirdest thing about all this, if you ask me. The light. It's just too white. Sterile, almost. Kind of grates on your eyes. At least for now, the storm makes it a little more bearable. Blessings, curses, all that. It'll die down eventually. The wind, anyway. But the ash, that never stops. But I don't need to tell you that. I don't know what's going on up above that cloud layer, but you might as well try and get some rest. It's going to take its time dying down, and we shouldn't even think of leaving till it does. Like I said, the couch won't bite. You might have to maneuver around a spring or two, but it beats sleeping on the floor by a long shot. Yeah, go ahead. Get comfy. What now? Me? Oh, you want to know if I'm going to... No, I don't sleep much anymore. I'll just be working on this. Good night. Painting again. Blanket. Right. There. All good? All right. Now go to sleep.